I'm Benjamin Beckmans. I'm professor of entrepreneurship at the Solvay Business School, and I'm a founding member of B-Hive. And B-Hive is Belgium's largest FinTech hub, where we help our members and partners meet, discover, and engage into business building opportunities. Banks have historically built their business around silos, right? You had customer silos on top of technological silos, where data and technology were incompatible by design. For example, that the data was duplicated across silos. You probably had your name recorded as a private customer, as a business customer, as a mortgage customer, as a credit card customer, and none of that was centralized. And as a result, you were contacted through different channels, and that was not only inefficient, but also very annoying. So, fintech companies have leveled that with an approach where they use technology to eat and work real time. They are millennials in their mind. They want instant satisfaction. They're not used to wait. And next to that, they are data-driven and customer-centric by design. So with that, they take a very selective approach to attack only one part of the business of the bank, and usually a very profitable niche, with a very low need for capital and certainly no legacy from the past. So their infrastructure cost is also much lower. I mean, where 10 years ago, you probably need 5 million euro to compete with the bank. No, you only need 5K, 5,000 euro. So with the same amount of money, you can have 10,000 times more starters. And this is a key problem for the banks. For me, this is very clear. They have access to customers, and they have the scaling capabilities, and these are the two resources startups need the most. At B-Hive, we have a strong opinion in favor of smart cooperation rather than competition. We believe that the rate of external innovation, so outside of the banks, has surpassed their rate of internal innovation for all the good and the bad reasons that I just mentioned. And on top of that, the bank's internal innovation agenda with new regulations they have to cope with, for instance, is already packed. So it uses up most of their internal bandwidth in terms of innovation management. So in the future, I think banks should indeed cooperate. The best bank will leverage their access to customers and their deployment capabilities by increasing their connections into the ecosystem they would have created through experiments and partnerships across the globe. So this is why at B-Hive we have built a global presence in innovation ecosystems to assist the banks, and we're present in New York, London, Brussels, Tel Aviv, and Singapore.